how to record and edit voiceovers like Algro or MKBHD, and trust me, I will genuinely show you how to do this using 3 easy steps. So let's get started. Now guys, voiceover is one of the most important factor for your growth on YouTube, and if you are able to achieve a great quality voiceover, then you will surely earn tons of subscribers, likes and comments on YouTube. Guys, to achieve a great quality voiceover, you will need a decent quality microphone. I would link a budget mic and the mic that I am using in the description below. You will also need 2 softwares, Adobe Audition or Audacity and Voicemeeter. Link for the softwares would also be in the description. After arranging the above, you will have to open the Voicemeeter software and you will have to tweak the settings according to your microphone. I would link down a preset of the settings that I use for my mic, which is a Blue Snowball microphone. However, you can use these settings for any mic and tweak it accordingly. After you are done with your settings on Voicemeeter, just open your audio editing software. In my case, it's Adobe Audition. Then just change your audio hardware settings to the settings you are seeing on the screen. Now just record an audio and you can edit the audio according to your preference, and you have achieved your great sounding voiceover just like your dream YouTuber. Now let's listen to some samples. This audio is being recorded without Voicemeeter. This audio is being recorded with Voicemeeter. This audio is being recorded with Voicemeeter, and some audio adjustments are also done using Adobe Audition. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you end up liking this video, then do consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon, and be on a lookout for such kinds of videos. Thank you for watching. This is Shaumit Seth signing off.